Creating a spotlight effect can make your photo truly special. It can be done in under a minute in Canva, even if you are an absolute beginner. But first, welcome to Graphics Grow, a place where you find graphic design tutorials focused on beginners. And in this short tutorial, I will show you how to create a simple spotlight effect in Canva. So let's start by opening a design in Canva. It doesn't matter which dimension you choose. Simply open a design and upload a photo where you want to apply the spotlight effect. For this video, I will use a stock photo of a man. Now, I will duplicate the page because we need to use the same photo again. Once done, let's play with the main photo. To make the spotlight effect really stand out, we need to make the main photo a little darker. So, click on the photo, then click on the Edit Photo or Edit Image option, and then click on the Adjust section. Here, reduce brightness. In the next step, go to the Elements tab and search for Neon Circle. Here, select the one that creates a shiny effect. I will use this one. Now, still in the Elements, look for a circle frame and add it to your design. Adjust the frame to cover the neon circle to create the spotlight effect. In the last step, take the duplicated photo and put it into the circle frame. Once done, adjust the duplicated photo until it covers the main photo. That's it. As you can see, creating a simple spotlight effect isn't complicated. It takes time, but it's still easy to do. So, I hope you have found this video helpful. And if you want to learn more graphic design tricks in Canva, watch the next video and subscribe to the channel.